Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, JustBeingC'Aira. Today's video is in collaboration with Kabanay over at Whitakers Way. So we did it before, we're doing it again. We're giving some different lunch ideas. We're giving some teacher lunch ideas. We're just giving you some lunch ideas, period. I only have 30 minutes for a lunch break, and honestly, I've learned over time what to take and what not to take. So join me as I'm getting ready to clearly show you guys a week's worth of lunch ideas. So that means 5 lunch ideas for the week. So also be sure after this video to check out her video linked in the description box down below. All right, so day number 1, I'm going to be packing my lunch as I am just coming back from spring break. So I'm gonna pack in something really quick, sweet, and simple. So I have a Star-Kissed lunch to go pack that has mayonnaise, relish, crackers, and then it also has a spoon, and then the pack of tuna. Also, I'm packing in a pack of Oreo, these are little Oreo cookies with some like dip to go along with it in case I get hungry. I have the Skinny Pop Popcorn White Cheddar, 100 calories per bag. And then I also have a pack of fruit snacks, just in case I get hungry mid-morning, 80 calories. And then last but not least, I'm going to pack one of these organic crispy snack bars. These only have 90 calories per bar. And I feel like this would be much better for me. Alright, so day number 2, while my lunch box is in the washer, I resulted to this one. This one came from Japan with a bento box, but I'm not going to use that today. So today's lunch is going to consist of 1 easy mac and cheese. So remind you guys, I only have an hour for lunch, so I have to make it like the best lunch that it can be. So, matter of fact, I'm sorry, I only got 30 minutes for lunch. I don't have a whole hour. I wish I did. So I have an easy macaroni and cheese. So shout out to Hobby Lobby for making these, or not making them, but selling them, because they came in a 2-pack of each color. I also have blue. So I gave the extras and put them in a box for a good friend to send over to her soon. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab one, put the others back. So along with the macaroni and cheese, I'm going to go ahead and pack these organic sea salt and vinegar chips. Alright, so these were bought from Whole Foods, so I definitely have not tried these yet before, but I will now. They're good. Alright, so I have a couple chips in this bag right here. And the one thing I love about these are washable, so you could easily put like fruit down in them, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down into my lunchbox. So I got this fruit cup from Whole Foods as well. It was only $6.47. It contains strawberries, cantaloupe, pineapple, honeydew, blueberries, blackberries, and grapes. So I'm just going to get a couple pieces of each out and put into another one of my sealable Ziploc snack bags. Alright, so here's my fruit. Like I said, 30 minutes for lunch. Not much time. So, once it's closed, everything's good to go. So day 3, I decided to go ahead and save some leftovers from dinner. I made fried chicken and some asparagus for the first time. So I really did enjoy the asparagus. So I said, let me go ahead and pack my lunch. And so I took 2 pieces of chicken and I took the rest of the asparagus, cut it in half. That way it could fit into my container that you see here, so that I would be able to take it to work and easily pop this into the microwave and heat it up on maybe like 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how long it takes the chicken to heat up as well. And I'm just going to close it up and put it in the refrigerator after it cools off, and that'll be lunch for day 3. Day 4, I decided to take a Uncrustable, and this is my new lunchbox right here that I just recently bought off of Amazon. This one is amazing. I was able to take a Smucker's strawberry jelly and peanut butter sandwich. I took some birthday cake popcorn that I found at Whole Foods, and then I also got some of my Madagascar vanilla cashews. Oh my gosh, they are amazing. And I decided to take some freeze-dried strawberries along with me. And then that is my lunch so far. This lunchbox came with a spoon and the fork you see here. It comes with 2 different compartments. It also has the top to latch it closed. And then it also came with a thermal bottle. And it came with these little silicone baked cups that I could put snacks in to keep everything organized. So I did end up putting some strawberry fruit snacks in there, and then I also cut up half of a banana. The other half I used with breakfast this morning. So this was a really great lunch that day. It was quick and easy, and I was able to eat everything under my 30 minutes. So day number 5, last day, I decided to go ahead and use this leftover Sloppy Joe mix to make me just one little Sloppy Joe sandwich at work. This was easily able to be heated up underneath a minute. And so I am just simply going to put some into the little silicone cup. That way I can just toss this on a plastic plate and heat it up. Got some wheat thins that I wanted to bring. It's been so long since I've had wheat thins. This is honestly one of my favorite snacks as a kid in the summertime. So I decided to buy some the other day when I thought about it. I'm going to end up taking just a little bit of cheese balls, and then I have a little mini fruit pie, apple flavored. And I want to make sure I have some room just in case I want to put some extras, or just in case I want to put anything else. I also have a silicone mold cup for these strawberries, the freeze-dried strawberries. These are my favorite. And I didn't have any fresh fruit this week, so I decided to do the freeze-dried strawberries and the strawberry fruit bar and the strawberry fruit snacks. Thanks so much, guys, for watching my week of lunch ideas. It is definitely not easy to prep. It's definitely not easy to have to get up even earlier in the morning to do it and make it, but that's why I try to make something that's already put together. So last time I definitely made meals and did it like that, but this time I decided to do meals that were quick and easier to do for those people who really only have that 30 minutes and those who can't extend it any longer. Luckily I can take maybe an extra 5 minutes if I choose to, but we all know how that goes. So thanks guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed my lunch ideas, and if you decide to make one or take it for lunch one day, comment down below. And definitely be sure to check out Kabanay's video in the description box down below.